Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint CLI on LayerEdge. First, you'll need to grasp the fundamental purpose of the LayerEdge platform. Next, prepare your local environment by installing any prerequisite software. This ensures a smooth setup for your command line interface operations. Make sure all required dependencies are correctly installed before proceeding to the next steps. This foundational work is crucial for successful minting. Now, let's get your environment ready. Begin by installing the official LayerEdge command line interface tool directly onto your computer. Once installed, you'll need to configure your digital wallet and establish a secure connection to the LayerEdge network. It's important to verify this connection to the blockchain to ensure everything is working correctly before attempting any minting actions. With your environment set, it's time to mint. Carefully construct your mint command, ensuring all parameters are accurate. You'll need to specify the exact details of the asset you wish to mint, including its quantity. Before hitting enter, always double-check the transaction details. This step is vital to prevent errors and ensure your assets are minted precisely as intended on the LayerEdge platform. Congratulations! After executing the command, confirm that your CLI assets have been successfully minted. You can typically do this by checking your wallet or the LayerEdge Explorer. Take some time to explore your newly created assets on the platform. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life. You can find a link for that and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.